Hi everyone. Now let's start introduction to auditing. What is audit? Auditing is verification of financial position disclosed by the balance sheet and profit and loss account. Then an auditor inspect, compare, check, review, scrutinize the vouchers supporting the transaction and examine correspondence. That means the audit relates to financial information of business concern, and financial information provides data about the business, and he must be independent and in fact appearance in real life proprietorship, partnership and companies are working for profit, and also he deals with an entity, enterprise, undertaking concern and agencies. Let us see meaning of audit. The word audit is derived from the Latin word audio, which means to hear. Then, auditing is concerned with the verification of accounting and financial records with the view to determine their accuracy and reliability. Then audit is the examination and the verification of the books and records of the business. It will enable the auditor to determine the accuracy and reliability of accounting statements and reports. Definition of auditing. There are 7 different types of definitions. Now we can see 2 definitions. 1. According to Dixie, an audit is an examination of books and records of the business to ascertain and report upon the facts of its financial operations. Secondly, A.W. Hansen, an audit is an examination of such records to establish their reliability and the reliability of statements drawn from them. Then, importance of auditing. Firstly, the errors are located and the location and corrections of error is possible through auditing. Secondly, by using auditing, frauds are discovered. Finally, to make loans become easy lenders for granting loans accept the auditor's accounts. Then the reputation of borrower is increased due to the auditing. The auditing account helps the businessman to expand his activities. Like government agencies, they also want to audit report. Why? So that the company is making profit, but they are not paying taxes. Then it is lost to the government. So that's why they want to the audit report. Do you understand? Whether the company has made the profit or no, and what the company is showing as a profit or loss. Is it true or no? Then the audit report is also required by creditors. For example, if I am a banker, a creditor, I give a loan to the company. Now with the money, what the company is doing. So there are various parties who require the auditing report. Okay, right? Now as I said, there are various parties wants to auditing report. Then it shifted to the bookkeeping system. Like some books are maintained. Now the auditor, he takes away the books, all related documents and all financial statements, profit and loss, each and everything. Then the auditor hand questions employees or anybody. He got the right to questions anybody and everyone. So that is called pure auditing. Thank you everyone.